Hi guys, today I have INFINIX Hot and I want to show you how to add event to your calendar on this device. Our first step to do this is from main menu. We must swipe up the screen and go to the calendar application. In it, we press day when we want to add our event, maybe 25th of February. And after that, we press this plus icon, and there we can add title of our event, what you need. There we can set when event starts and ends, or we can set it will be all day by switch on. Repeat of our event, maybe every year or never, what you want. And there we have reminders. Maybe we can set more than one by add it. Maybe we set 3 days in advance. Again, there we can set alarm reminders that we get alarm with our reminders. Calendar accounts, we can add this event to calendar of our maybe friends or family members, and the location of our event and description. After we set all we need, we press this icon and we have it in our calendar right now. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.